In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Excel sheet from Google Forms. This is a straightforward process, and by the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to smoothly transition data from a form to a spreadsheet. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to have a Google form already created. If you haven't done this yet, you can easily create one by heading over to Google Forms and signing in with your Google account. Start by clicking the plus button or selecting a template to begin. Once you're done creating questions and setting the responses, your form is ready to start collecting data. Now, assuming some responses have been collected through your Google form, open your form and navigate to the Responses tab, typically located at the top center of the page. This is where all the data submitted through your form is aggregated. What you want to do next is create a spreadsheet where this data will be stored. Look for the small green Sheets icon. This is usually displayed on the right of the Responses tab. Clicking this icon will prompt you to create a new spreadsheet or select an existing one, giving you the flexibility to organize your data as you see fit. For this tutorial, the focus will be on creating a new spreadsheet. Select Create a New Spreadsheet and click Create. This action will automatically open a new tab where you'll be able to view your responses in Google Sheets. Now, the responses from your form will automatically populate the newly created Google Sheet. What's great about this integration is that any future responses submitted will also automatically update in real time. This ensures your data remains current without any extra effort from your side. Let's cover some useful tips here. If you wish to share this spreadsheet with others, click on the Share button on the top right of the Google Sheets interface. Here, you can grant access to collaborators by entering their email addresses. You can also set permissions, determining whether they can edit, comment, or just view the document. Additionally, you may want to download this Google Sheet as an Excel file. Simply go to File, located in the top menu, then navigate to Download and select Microsoft Excel, XLSX. Your spreadsheet will download directly to your computer, allowing you to work offline or share the file in Excel format. To wrap this up, converting your Google Forms responses into an Excel sheet is a seamless and efficient way to organize your data, whether it's for basic record keeping or in-depth analysis. With these easy steps, you're all set to transform any Google Form responses into usable spreadsheet data. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.